Hello everyone. I am Xiaogan. Today I ran through the save system process. At this location, we delete the previous save, then we will test it. This save is very simple, which we also wrote in other tutorials. Make slight modifications and it can be used. Now the backpacks are all in an empty state. Here, we will first pick up some items. After picking up the items, we checked in our backpacks to see what the suffixes of those items were like. For example, the current item's attribute is 481. Then we pick up some bullets. Then we fire 2 shots, reload 1 bullet, and now the bullet count becomes 28. Okay, so after it becomes 28 bullets, we will turn it off, Then we restarted the project. The bullet count is 28. This item's entry is still 481. Good. So we'll demonstrate the save system here. The save system still has many details to take note of. The save location is currently under the save directory. In release mode, the save location will change.